Namaste. Om Namah Shivaya. Thanks so much for dropping by this channel. So what this channel is going to be about is to be as pure an expression of Vedanta as possible, to look at the different schools of Vedanta. In the West, we've only been introduced to Advaita Vedanta when there are many, many different schools of Advaita and of Vedanta, excuse me. A big part of this channel will be looking at specifically the tradition of Advaita Vedanta, which we're very familiar with in the West. And part of this channel will be critiquing Neo-Advaita, the most current, I don't want to say school of Vedanta because it's so different, but to really learn to discern the difference between Neo-Advaita and Advaita Vedanta. And lastly, this channel is going to be about recovering from false teachings, but also Advaita Vedanta itself is a path for monks and nuns. It is a renunciate path, and it can be very, very harmful, even destructive for people who are not on that path, or if Advaita is not taught properly. It can be very harmful, very addictive. It took me to the point of almost killing myself. And I know for a fact I don't know how many, but there are many other people out there who have been taken to the point of feeling suicidal or even committing suicide over Vedanta taught wrongly, specifically Advaita Vedanta taught wrongly. So welcome so much to this channel, and I'm sad to say right now I have comments disabled because part of this channel was initially critiquing a particular spiritual teacher, Muji, and a lot of the comments and feedback I was getting just wasn't constructive. It was personal insults directed towards myself, and it was also just real misrepresentation of what Vedanta is and what it isn't. So at some point, we'll open up the channel again for comments. Thank you so much for dropping by. Namaste.